How to fix lower back pain when you're walking. Let me show you how to do that. What you're gonna do is before you start walking, you're gonna find the bench or something that's a little high, and you're going to stretch these hip flexors. What's really important is you wanna make sure that you're squeezing the buttock and thrusting your hip forward to get a big stretch here. If you wanna add a little bit more stretch, you can try to arch your lower back, but make sure that the stretch is all right here in the front of your hip. What's up, you guys? My name is Dr. Justin Lee, physical therapist here at Village Fitness and Physical Therapy. And in this video, we're gonna talk all about why you have lower back pain when you are walking. So what's really important to know is when you're walking and standing, we talked about this in a previous video, but when you're standing, you're supposed to have a nice slight arch in your back. But what happens in the typical posture for most folks in our standard United States population is that our lower back is arched just a little bit too much. Why is that? It's because we're sitting all the time and we are not moving and are sedentary. So when we start to walk, we have this constant arched position, and now we're trying to walk with this arched position, and that's causing a lot of pain. Now the problem, the thing you want to think about is, why do we have this arched back? The solution? Tight hip flexors. So how do we stretch a tight hip flexor? One foot on the bench like we talked about, pushing through, opening up those hips and stretching things out right in the front of the hip. You want to hold this for 30 seconds, switch sides, hold that for 30 seconds, continue on your walk. Once you start going on a walk and you're like, I'm starting to feel some discomfort again, then do that stretch one more time. You might not have a bench, but hey, maybe you might have just the floor. So all you're gonna do is get in a wide stance and push the hips forward like this. Not as good of a stretch as if you were on a bench, but that's still a great stretch to do. Same thing, 30 seconds each side. And if you're constantly feeling lower back pain throughout the time when you're walking, hey, maybe you need some professional help, and we definitely have that here at Village Fitness and Physical Therapy. What I would recommend that you do is to click the link in the description, and someone will get in contact with you, and a doctor or PT will do a full assessment on your back so that you can enjoy walking, playing around with your family, and enjoying life again. I'll see you in the next video.